Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a science class of standard 6 chapter 2. Today's topic is classification of organism. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about characteristics of invertebrates and characteristics of vertebrate. Characteristics of invertebrate and vertebrate. Animal mainly divided into two groups. Number 1, vertebrate animals, and number 2, invertebrate animal. Vertebrate animal. What is vertebrate animal? Vertebrates are animals that don't have invertebrates are animals that don't have a vertebral column or backbone, as well as skeletal system or skeleton. Example: flies, snail, mosquito, etc. Vertebrate animal. What is vertebrate animal? We can see vertebrates are animals that have a vertebral column or a backbone, as well as skeleton or skeletal system. Example: fish, frog, bird, etc. Characteristics of invertebrates. Number 1, don't have vertebral column, don't have any skeleton. Their eyes are simple. Sometimes they have many small eyes gathered together into one eye, which is called compound eye. They do not have tail. Invertebrates. Some invertebrates are tiny in size and can't be seen with bare eyes. Example: amoeba. There is a picture of amoeba. There is another group whose bodies are divided into many segments: earthworm, leech, etc. There is a picture of leech. There is another group whose body are not segmented and usually covered with hard shell. They have muscular foot. Example: snail, oyster, etc. There is a picture of a snail. Butterfly, mosquito, fly, cockroach, white ant, bee, etc. are insect. Their body is divided into three parts named head, thorax, and abdomen. They have joint foot and compound eyes. Some of these are useful insect. Example: bee, silkworm, etc. Some of these are harmful insect. Example: white ant, that means uipoka, rice spa, etc. Invertebrate. There are some marine animals whose integument or skin is spiny. Example: starfish, sea urchins, etc. There is a picture of starfish. They have a body cavity named coelenteron. They have a single opening which is used for both intaking food and expelling of wastage. Example: jellyfish, corals, etc. There is a picture of a jellyfish. Characteristics of vertebrate. Number 1, they have vertebral column, skeleton within the bodies. They have wings or two pair of appendages. Number 4, their eyes are simple. Number 5, except human, all other vertebrates have tail. They respire by gills or lungs. Now, vertebrate animal again divided into different groups. Number 1, Pisces. Characteristics of Pisces: number 1, they live in water. Number 2, most of them have scale, example hilsa, rui, koi, etc. There is a picture of rui fish. Number 3, some have no scale, example magur, shing, boal, etc. There is a picture of magur. They use gills for respiration. They have fins which are used to swim. Amphibians, the another group. Characteristics of amphibians: number 1, they spend some part of their life in water and some on land. Actually, they live in water in their early stage of life. At that time, they respire through their gills. On the other hand, when they adult, they live on land and respire through their lungs. They do not have any hair, scale or feather on their integument. They have 2 pair of legs. There is no snail on their phalanges. At the primary stage of their life cycle, the tadpole respire by gills, and the adult stage they respire by lungs. There is a picture of toad. Reptiles. Characteristics of reptiles: number 1, these animals move by putting their weight on tongue, that means they move by crawling. They have claws on their toes. They lay eggs and hatch them to give birth to the young ones. They respire through lungs, example crocodile, snake, wall lizard, etc. There is a picture of crocodile. Aves. Characteristics of aves: number 1, their body is covered by feather. Most of the bird can fly. They lay egg. They hatch egg to give birth to babies. Example duck, chicken, pigeon, etc. There is a picture of bird named kingfisher. Mammals. Characteristics of mammals: number 1, they have hair on their body. The female fed milk to their babies and give birth to babies. They are more intelligent than other vertebrates. Their brain and bodies are well developed. Monkey, rat, tiger, human, etc. There is a picture of Royal Bengal tiger. Stay at home. Follow health rules. Thank you.